Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today we are playing PTFS today, but in a computer. So this is my first ever video creating a PTFS video on computer. So we're going to the most popular map if everybody's in, which is Greater Yacht Force. Airliners. It's like the border 190. There's views at different airlines today. Not even JetBlue today. You know what? I'm gonna get you the 90. There's views regular Airbus planes, like the Airbus A320. Let's do Delta Airlines called Delta in the game. I was getting this Airbus A320. Okay, let me zoom out. The V, the E. Actually know how to turn the engine and all that stuff. What else? I cannot control the thing that good. Well, maybe I could today. These lines. Is that? Okay, P. W. And we use the mouse to control the plane. You know what? I was just gonna say that I was gonna take off. Not when the runway but here. Yeah, I'm gonna take off here when those like this is Girls G and PTFS. So we're still not even at the yellow lane yet. And finally we touched the yellow lane. Okay. So there, you think this is all good at PTFS in your computer, but I am not really that good. So I'm gonna do at PTFS and mobile and PlayStation or Xbox. I'm not really good at it, but I don't think I'm good in Xbox because I didn't have an Xbox. Well, I used to have an Xbox Series X, but now we have a PS5. No one accidentally turned off the engine. I forgot it was the engine. Okay. So we can pretend that we are the air traffic control, or whatever you call it. So now we're gonna go to the runway, and I'm gonna say the air control tower things. So yeah. Okay, let me turn right here. No, do not go in the grass. It's a shortcut. Well, I usually take the shortcut in the Airbus A380, not just in small planes like the A320 and the Border 90. Delta Airlines Flight 9532, you have permission to take off. Oh wait, not yet. You gotta scan the land 8401 going in. Okay, this is left. Now you're to Delta Airlines Flight 9532. Sorry about that spelling. Coffee. Go up there. Okay, cool. Was that a good takeoff, guys? But now we're gonna land at Miller Airport. Now, if you don't know what's Miller Airport in PTFS, then you can see right now. So, right now,
1,500.
Are close to Miller Airport. It's a very quick flight.
1,000.
Okay. And this video was showing you if I'm really good at computer. What do you think? Okay. Oh, see, we should bring that buck, or whatever you say, D-I-K. Okay, now we gotta start going down. We're not going down, like, putting the screw down. Okay, we're gonna start. Like at least 28. Then by pilot in a laptop. Not
300, minimum 270.
Or
60, 50, 40, 30.
Also, we're starting soon. Here's the speed. Delta Airlines Flight 9532, which way to land? Please turn around land again. And plus, you forgot to put your gear down. Oh! You forgot to scratch the plane. Anyway, the BTS can't. You guys say PTS? I meant to say PTFS. Well, PTFS, there is no damage for a plane except for this. And this done by the shell. Except for this. Or the landing gear. It's also... Okay, I didn't even know what speed we are. No, we're gonna go down now. Nope. Yeah, down it. Little down it. Little down it. And that's where to land again. Great. Why can I not line up in the wrong way? Am I just silly today? Because in PTFS
40, 30.
Normally I don't go in the wrong directions. Let's just try again. We go full speed and close the screen. And turn. You know what? We're landing at the other airport. We're landing at that runway there. To see how good we made, because I'm struggling to land at Mega Airport. And I want to land already. Gear down, just in case how to land. Okay, we're going to Airbase Gary. I don't know why it's called Gary. Well, I hope you know Gary from SpongeBob now. Well, now we can find some songs. Okay. We're almost there. We're almost the wrong way. Go up. Well, this game does not have all the warnings. Neither some flight sims or Roblox. Cause it doesn't have sink rate, stall alert, sink rate, stall alert.
20.
No, don't fix it, don't fix it.
10. Retard.
Okay, see, I struggle to land in the computer. Well, maybe I will show you how I can land in a PTFS, I don't know. Well, that's my landing there. I don't think that's really a good landing. Well, at least I did landing. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.